2 a.m. and your phone buzzes. Another customer asking, what's your store hours for the 100th time this week? Sounds familiar? If you're running any business with a WhatsApp number, you know this is reality. My customer expects instant response to today, the same 10 questions over and over and over again while you're trying to focus on actually growing your business. Here, what's really happening? You're either glued to your phone answering the same question all day, or you're ignoring customers and losing sales. Both options sucks. Your conversion rate drops because people get frustrated waiting for basic information, and you're burnt out from being the human FAQ machine. Well, your competitors with instant response are stealing your customers. Every delayed reply is money walking out of the door to businesses that can answer immediately. What if I told you there's a way to answer 80% of the customer's questions instantly, 24/7, without lifting a finger? What if your customer got better, more consistent answers, intelligent assistant that will handle your FAQs instantly while you sleep, eat, or focus on what actually makes you money? Let's get started. Here you can see this is the workflow for our WhatsApp AI customer service agent. The interesting thing about this is there is two parts to it. This is the part that we will need to store or give information about our business to the AI agent, and this is the part where the AI agent will respond to whatever messages it gets from WhatsApp. I'm going to talk a little bit of about this. This is actually an implementation of a RAG agent. What is RAG? A little bit of context. RAG is called Retrieval Augmented Generation. What problem does it solve? Example here. If you were to connect any LM or ChatGPT Claude directly to your WhatsApp, it's going to give you generic answers or response, right? It doesn't know your business hours, your specific return policy, your delivery areas, and etc. etc. It's just pretty much hiring a customer service rep that never worked at your company itself. RAG solves that. So RAG gives AI access to your specific business logic. Think of it as creating a smart filing cabinet that the AI can instantly search through things and provide the correct answer. Instead of guessing, the AI is actually searching your delivery database and gives the exact up-to-date answers to everything. Here how it works in plain English. In this example, we show is I have a file. I have a text file. You open up this text file, have all the information about your business, FAQ, policies, product details, or whatever. This text file, if you can see here, this example is for a company called Starware. What it does is this is the service hours, what it does, what it sells, what kind of size it has, how to produce order, methods. All this has to go into somewhere for AI to then start to retrieve. Okay, what we'll do is this step here, whereby it starts to get the information about the company or the business or your business, and it starts to put into storage your database. In this sense, we are using Supabase. If you guys don't know what Supabase is an online database platform that you can use to store any information, tables, and everything. If you guys are interested to know more, but at this point, let's just briefly go through this. This step is very important, whereby it actually takes whatever data from the text file that we showed and put it in a database, where later on this WhatsApp agent will then will then search through to get the actual answers. Okay, let's kind of run this a little bit and see how it works. So it's gonna, oops. That's very much it. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to go to the Supabase platform here, and you can see here, this is how the data is stored. It's going to be stored in a very unique way, as vector in the vector database, in a unique format. So the AI is going to be very optimized in terms of getting whatever specific information that it needs for its answers. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So this So that's my image. This part itself is when, right, I'm going to disable this first. This part is the customer service AI agent part. Pretty much a setup here. What happens is, an interesting thing is how I actually use to connect this to WhatsApp is actually through a open source platform called Evolution API. It's a really interesting API that I recently found out that's much easier in terms of connecting to WhatsApp. It's not going through the complicated process. What happens is whenever there is a incoming message through WhatsApp, through your phone or to your customer service WhatsApp, it's sent a web service over to this webhook, and then it will get processed. I'm going to do a demo. So this is actually the WhatsApp number that's been connected to the system. So let's try to run this. So do an execute. Give an answer what t-shirt size you have. Now start sending. Now the AI agent started getting the information from the vector store and replies. So see. So the real size t-shirts for style wear. Cool. So this is the so what we have here. As you can see here, these are the size label. So that's how the AI RAG system works.